Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest tech that makes life smarter, safer, and just a little cooler. Today, we're diving into a dashcam that's getting a lot of buzz. The ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam, equipped with front and rear coverage and powered by Sony's cutting-edge STARVIS 2 sensors. If you're looking for ultra-clear video, top-tier low-light performance, and reliable all-around car security, this might just be your next tech upgrade. Let's get into it. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the ROVE R2-4K Dual gives off a premium vibe. The front camera unit is compact, sleek, and doesn't look bulky or out of place mounted on your windshield. The rear camera is equally discreet, easy to tuck near your rear window without blocking visibility. Both cameras come with a solid matte black finish, and the build quality feels durable, not plasticky or cheap like many budget cams. The package includes a detailed manual, mounting hardware, cables, a GPS module, and even a 64GB microSD card pre-installed, a huge bonus. Setup is intuitive. Mounting is straightforward thanks to the 3M adhesive and flexible cabling. And yes, you get dual USB car charging ports so your phone charger doesn't lose its spot. Video quality and resolution. Now let's talk about what really matters. Video quality. The front camera records in true 4K UHD at 2160p, while the rear camera records at 1080p Full HD. Thanks to Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, footage is crisp, detailed, and impressively clear, even at night or in poor weather. During the day, license plates are readable from a distance, faces are distinguishable, and there's minimal lens distortion. But what really impressed us was the night vision performance. The STARVIS 2 tech isn't just a marketing term. Low light capture is remarkably sharp, with excellent contrast and noise reduction. Whether you're navigating poorly lit roads or parked on a dark street, the ROVE R2-4K captures everything with clarity. Field of view and coverage. The 150-degree and ultra-wide angle lens on the front and 140-degree and on the rear gives great coverage without extreme fisheye distortion. It captures 3 lanes of traffic easily, and the rear cam adds an extra layer of security for both recording and parking monitoring. Whether it's a hit-and-run, rear-end collision, or just someone getting too close in a parking lot, you've got coverage from both ends. It's peace of mind in 4K. Smart features and connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K Dual comes loaded with smart features that add real value. First up, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. With the ROVE app, you can download footage straight to your phone, adjust settings, or share clips instantly. Super handy for insurance claims or social media uploads. The GPS logs your speed, route, and location, all embedded in the video metadata. Great for road trips or proving your case in a dispute. You've also got loop recording, emergency lock with a G sensor, motion detection, and 24-hour parking mode. And here's something you don't see every day: voice guidance and spoken alerts, so you know what the cam is doing at all times. One particularly handy feature, the time-lapse parking mode. It records a continuous stream at low frame rates, capturing potential incidents without draining your battery. Ease of use. The 2.4-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to navigate. The UI is clean, the menu system is responsive, and the physical buttons are intuitive even for beginners. Firmware updates are straightforward via the app or microSD card. You'll also appreciate that it automatically starts and stops recording with your car's ignition. No need to manually press buttons every time. ROVE even includes lifetime firmware updates and customer support based in the USA, which is a big plus in a market flooded with unresponsive offshore brands. Audio, storage, and other specs. Audio quality is solid. The built-in mic picks up voices and ambient sounds clearly, and the option to mute on the fly is there if you need privacy. Storage-wise, the cam supports up to 512GB micro SD cards, and the included 64GB card is enough to get you started. Heat resistance is impressive too. It's rated to handle up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius. So no worries about summer heat in your parked car. Real-world performance. In daily driving tests, the ROVE R2-4K Dual consistently delivered stable performance. No laggy recordings, missed frames, or corrupted files. The G sensor instantly locked clips when we simulated hard braking, and the voice alerts clearly indicated what was happening. Parking mode kicked in reliably when motion was detected, and the dual camera setup made it easy to see exactly what occurred. All in all, the dash cam worked exactly how you'd want it to, reliably and without fuss. Final verdict. So let's wrap this up. The ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam hits that sweet spot between premium performance and everyday reliability. You're getting true 4K video, a rear cam, STARVIS 2 night vision, smart features like GPS and Wi-Fi, and a generous bundle, all for under $200. That's serious value. Pros: excellent 4K front plus 1080p rear video quality. STARVIS 2 sensors for outstanding night vision. Built-in Wi-Fi plus GPS with mobile app. 24/7 parking mode with time-lapse feature. Comes with a 64GB SD card and dual USB charger. Supports up to 512GB storage. Responsive touchscreen plus intuitive menu system. US-based customer support. Cons: no CPL polarizing filter included, can cause glare. Rear camera cable can be tricky to hide in some vehicles. App connection can occasionally lag when transferring large files. Rating: overall, we're giving the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam a solid 9 out of 10. It's a reliable, feature-packed dash cam that doesn't cut corners, and it offers one of the best balances of performance, clarity, and value in its class. If you're ready to upgrade your driving security with crisp 4K video and full front-rear coverage, the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam is a fantastic pick. We've dropped the Amazon link down in the description. Click it to check the latest price and grab yours today. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more hands-on tech reviews right here on Modern Gadget Guy. Drive safe and stay tech savvy.